Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today at Solvetic, we will see how to put two videos in one screen CapCut. We'll start by opening CapCut and creating a new project. After that, we are going to import any image to our project. Next, we are going to establish the aspect ratio of our final video. To do this, we will click on Ratio. Here we will choose the ratio that best suits the final composition we are looking for. This ratio is important because it will be the guide for placing our videos according to the composition we are looking for. In this case, we are going to choose 2:1. After that, we are going to insert the videos. To do this, we will go to the Overlay option and then Add Overlay. Then choose the video to import and click Add to add it. Then place the video and resize it as you prefer by holding down with 2 fingers on it. If necessary, extend the initial image layer track on the timeline. When you're done, you can do the same process to add the other video. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. We are also going to place this video and resize it as we prefer. You can edit each video at any time by clicking on its video track. For example, you can choose one of them and go to the Edit and Crop option to crop the proportion of that video and adjust it to the composition. Once you have finished your final video, you can export it from the icon above. You will now have 2 videos in one screen in CapCut. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.